y'all, welcome to the vlog. Now this vlog been started, okay? So I just came home from doing a bridal shoot. It's not my wedding yet, okay? Now y'all relax. So that was just a little practice for the actual day. You know, you gotta test out the makeup and the hair and all that good stuff. We were doing a promotional shoot for my friend's business for hair and makeup and all that. So I was just the model for the day, so I'll show y'all the details. So you know, when I go on vacation, I do my little braiding styles and stuff. That's my stylist. But anyway, I am like in love with the whole bridal look. Like the makeup is makeuping, sitting, laid, okay, laid here, laid flat. But anyway, I think that's it for the day. I'm about to go edit my vacation vlog. By the time you've seen this, you've probably already seen the St. Lucia vlog, but right now I'm finishing up. It's a Sunday. I want to put this up by tomorrow, a Monday evening, the beginning of the week, to start the week fun and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna take this stuff off, go get some food, relax, and yeah, that's it for today. So let's see what we're doing tomorrow. Today is a chill, not really chill day. I'm heading to my friend's daughter's birthday, and I just need to make a quick run. You know, typical black people thing, you buy presents last minute, but it's not really last minute because it's on the registry. So we're gonna stop at the mall and get the gift real quick, and then we're gonna head there. It's at the rec room, so it's like a both for kids and adults, like a arcade type of vibe. So you know, we're dressed arcade-ish aesthetic, you know, we're ready to play. And we got moms here with me, so she's nice and fancy and looking beautiful. So we're stepping out of the mall just to get some stuff. We're gonna look into Zara, okay? You know, we're gonna come to the mall and check what is spring with Zara. So that's our date.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option, I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I have a bunch of errands to run. I have a couple of things to return to Homesense, so that's gonna be our first stop. And then I'm gonna go to the mall, and we're probably gonna get a few things, return a few things. And I also want you to go to Lululemon. I want to check out their gym wear. I want some shorts because the weather is getting nice, so I don't want to wear like full tights because it's hot, and I hate tight fitting clothes. So I'm just gonna try see if we could get some shorts and some cute tops. We're also gonna go to H&M because H&M has athletic wear too, and some t-shirts and stuff, just basic leisure wear, gym wear type stuff, you know, because a lot of time I'm going to the gym and I wear mostly black. And I want colors, like I'm a colorful type of girl, you know what I'm saying? So I need things that will, colors that will brighten my spirit, especially in the gym, because a lot of times I don't feel like going. So if it is that wearing a cute outfit will give me a little bit more motivation, we're gonna do that.
A lot of touch of test is determined.
What?
What's up?
I don't even hear what you said.
What's up, fiance? How are you?
I'm good. But what did you
What you
say?
telling these people?
I was talking about colorful gym outfits that will motivate me a little bit more because.
Like outside the pink and the green.
What pink and green?
You know the little grease that I got you that one time?
Yeah, but the thing is, it doesn't fit right, and it gives.
What about with pink? You got some pink Nike stuff up there too.
It's see-through, so my drawers always showing through it. I need quality, like super quality, and I hate. Sometimes I don't like how Nike quality tights. The quality of Nike tights are.
So your theory is you believe if you wear brighter colors, you would work out more. So I can expect to see you 3 times this week.
If I get the outfits. Not so small, like the one in your hand. I like the size of this one. Yeah. Or you could do like, or not too big.
This is one I have a beat man. Okay.
Fuck around, I'll find out. So I was thinking about getting this for my guest bathroom to like stack toilet paper and hand towels and stuff. So cute. I think it would be perfect for my guest bathroom. Let me see the price. Okay, so it's $80. I think it'd be cute. I think I'm gonna get this. Yesterday we did a little shopping, like nothing major. As I told you, I just had a couple of things to return, exchange, and get a little bit of cutesy stuff at Homesense. I got a bunch of stuff. Well, not a bunch of stuff. I got just a few little things that I saw that was really cute. I also decided to purchase a Apple Watch. Yeah, I'm really gonna try this gym thing, okay? Like, we really are gonna try it this time around. I don't even know where I put my Apple Watch. I think I put it in my bedroom to charge. So we're gonna leave it alone before we set it up. I don't even know which one I got. I just told Simba that I wanted an Apple Watch, and I told him that it doesn't have to be like, you know, the newest version, because I'm not going to use it to its fullest potential. I already know that. So I'm like, just give me the basic one. I think this is the basic one. Is it? Where is it? What's it called? I don't know. I just saw this on the front. I don't know which version this is. He said it's new enough. It's a Series 8. I don't know if that's new, old, indifferent. I don't know. I just needed it to help me count my calories and how much I'm burning and stuff like that, because I can't keep track. You know what I'm saying? And so that's gonna help me with that. And I don't know what else an Apple Watch does, but I guess I'm gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna clear off here. Like, I need to do a little cleaning. So I got all my cleaning stuff over here. I think I'm gonna, I don't know if I want to do like, do it separately. You know, I did that reset cleaning video for y'all a couple of months back. Maybe I should do one of those. I mean, my house is not super dirty, you know what I'm saying? But like, I got little dishes over here that's unsightly. But I don't know, maybe I'll do a house cleaning reset. I found this at Homesense, and I just had to have it. It's $15, and I'm like, I needed a centerpiece for this table. It's just bare, even though the marble is doing the good stuff on its own in terms of aesthetic and the chairs. But I just feel like I wanted a floral centerpiece, like a little tray situation, and then get like a nice medium-sized vase. Do you say vase or vase? I say vase. A medium vase. I don't know if I want real flowers, which I would have to change like every 2 weeks, or do I want decorative flowers and just make an arrangement. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I'm just doing these things piece by piece. I also got this cutting board. I have other cutting boards, but it's like plastic, and I'm just thinking about the knife slicing, the plastic cutting board, and meat and in the grooves and all of that. So I'm like, we need a bamboo cutting board. Is this bamboo, child? I don't know. But I think these type of cutting boards don't hold bacteria like plastic cutting boards. It's just a simple bamboo. But I would use it like as a cheese board or a charcuterie board. You know, you see how I pronounce that? I usually say coochie, but I'm growing. Okay, I'm becoming more cultured. So instead of coochie, it's charcuterie. Like I learned how to pronounce it. So I'm gonna get one of those boards too, because even though I don't like the whole shit, I forgot to pronounce it. Even though I don't be eating everything on those, you know, displays, but I have my own little twist, a little ratchetness to it that I do myself that I really enjoy when I'm having my little downtime. So I'm gonna try that. What else did I get? We also got these frying pans. We needed new pans because our old ones are like we bought this set, this orange set, and it's supposed to be non-stick, but I don't know if the shield or whatever that's in it is ruined or done for, but it's sticking like crazy. Like we have to spray that thing with so much Pam, and I'm like, that makes no sense. So we got these new pans from Homesense. This one was $20. And we didn't want a whole set, you know, so it's like if we could get like 2-3 pieces of quality, because we have this big one that we use to cook like stir fry and chicken breast and stuff, and it's so good. Like it's so easy to clean, it's so easy to use, like love it. So I think this is from the same brand. This is more like a heavy duty pan. This is something Simba definitely took up and is gonna use, because I don't know what I will cook in here. This one is $40. Okay. $40. Why is it $40? It's a new high performance non-stick coating with maximum scratch resistance and long durability. Okay. So we gonna see. Not today though, because I don't feel like cooking nothing. So I mentioned to you guys that I saw that little, what do you call it? A little bamboo looking table thingy majig, and I'm like, I need to revamp my entrance bathroom or my guest bathroom. So I just put a little something together. It's not done yet, but I'm like, it's a small cutesy bathroom, right? And I'm like, it was so bare in here, so I just put a little bit of stuff. As you guys can see, I didn't even remove the tag yet because I was trying to play with it just in case I didn't like it, because I don't want to like try to return it and they tell me that I can't return it because the tag's not on there. So I left the tag on there just to finish up how I want it to look. I think I'm gonna put like some picture frames here. I don't know frames of what just yet, but like the idea is coming together. Like I want to change up this whole thing. I think I'm gonna change the toilet paper holder. Not sure, but I think I want something more to go with this aesthetic vibe that I'm going for. I'm gonna leave the mirror alone. I don't think I want to change the mirror. The lighting fixture, do I want to change that? Again, when I do stuff like this, I do them little by little and piece by piece until it all comes together. I'm not doing the whole thing at once because I just can't be bothered. But I think it's so cute. Then I'm gonna put like little towels, hand towels here, like rolled up in a little cutesy way, and then I'm gonna put like sanitary napkins and wipes and stuff like that in a little tray, like a closed tray under here. So I'm gonna try to get it on Amazon. And I'm gonna put like a bamboo trash can by the toilet, and then a smaller bamboo basket, like to, if I have guests and they use the hand towel, they just throw it over there. But yeah, we got a whole vibration going over here, so I'm gonna just close that. Every time I go to Homesense, and they're not like super expensive, they're really affordable compared to a lot of other stores that would have quality stuff. So I really like going in Homesense when they have like new products. As soon as they have new products on display, I'm in it. Okay, I am in it. When I was doing this hair is from Love Me Hair. I don't know when it's gonna go up. I don't know if it's gonna go up before this vlog or after this vlog, but like it will go up eventually. Just make sure y'all got the notification. But when I was doing this hair, I jammed my finger somewhere. Like I forgot how to use longer nails, so I think it's time to cut them. So I'm gonna cut them later this week. We're gonna go lower again because I feel like it's too long now. Like I be jamming it and stuff and it hurts so bad. The good thing is it didn't break, so that means that it was quality acrylic. For today, we are about to go to get our nails refilled, and also I want to get my lashes removed. They're looking hella crazy and I can't remove them myself. Like I do a terrible job. My eyes be burning, I'm in pain. So we're gonna just let the ladies at the nail salon do it because they offer the service. And also I think I want to squeeze in a pedicure. I didn't book for a pedicure, but we're gonna see if we can squeeze one in. Ooh yeah, I'm having a bad hair day. I need to get my hair washed, my natural hair wash, like ASAP, like Rocky. My hair has been in these flat braids for like 3 weeks, and at this point it's just atrocious under there. So I think I want to wash my hair and do a sleek ponytail. But this is just my little errands outfit and it's kind of cute. I didn't even lotion my skin because I'm running late, so I'm gonna call my Uber. My appointment starts like in 3 minutes and this place is like 10 minutes from me. I was gonna ask my sister to take me, but she has exams today, finals. So I'm not even gonna ask. I don't even know what I want to do. I think I want to do like a colorful set this time around because, you know, I've been doing like simple jean stuff. I'm gonna cut it down for sure because my finger still hurts AF from when I hit it yesterday. So I'm gonna cut them down, get them a little cutesy, and then we're gonna do a simple set, but we're gonna put a little something to it. So I need to get my bag and my shoes, and then we're gonna go. We're doing the Marc Jacob totes for today. I'm gonna use this Zara scent for today. Just like my errand scent. And a little tinsy wincy Marc Jacobs. Cold outside. Guys, the nail salon was so freaking full for a Tuesday. Yeah, as I was saying, it was so full for a Tuesday afternoon, but I didn't even get to vlog inside because it was so like, especially the pedicure chairs, usually I'd put my camera beside me, but there was like people all around me, so I couldn't get to set up. Anyway, this is what the nails look like. Aren't they pretty? It's giving real spring already. These are just clean and neat. I also got my lashes removed. Ugh, I can breathe again. I think I'm gonna give my lashes a couple of months break. I don't think I'm gonna redo my lashes. I want to say until the end of summer. I'm not even sure, but like I'm gonna give it a break because the lashes were way too tight on my eyelid, so she had to put 2 coats because you know how lashes falsies, they grow out. Well, not they grow, your lashes grow out and they eventually fall out, but the ones on this side were like literally on my skin, not moving. So yeah, I'm gonna cool out on that for a bit. We got some packages from Amazon. I got some headbands for the gym because my gym wig is a headband wig, And you know, I want like cutesy colors. Well, not cutesy colors, but like basic nudes and stuff that I wear to the gym. So, you know, cover my edges and stuff. Even on days when I don't feel like wearing a headband, then I just throw on just a random wig. Like I can use a headband to hide my edges. I haven't ate all morning. Into the TV. I'm gonna go to the gym probably like 3 hours. So I don't want to eat heavy, but I'm hungry. So maybe I should do. I'm gonna do turkey, bacon, and egg. An egg sandwich. Something simple. I feel for breakfast food, but not like a full breakfast. Probably drink some lemon water. Get my detox for the day going. We got protein pancake, turkey, bacon, and eggs. We are about to go to the gym for a night session.
I'm doing some cardio and abs.
Cardio and abs. Yeah. So I can have that flat tummy for the summer.
So Chev got this Apple Watch, right? And she's going to be using it to track her calories. And I also got her an app so she can, you know, see what she eats. How was day one?
How was day one?
Yeah, how was day one of tracking your calories?
I am currently over my calorie count.
Let me tell you how the devil is a busy man.
And I haven't had dinner yet.
I got up, made Chev a nice healthy breakfast. We had some fruit in there. She had the McGriddle going on about these little egg
rings. Those are just the McGriddle instead of fruit.
Okay, so like I made it at home. So it's like I got these egg rings on Amazon to like make a little shape. And it was like protein based batter for the pancake part of the McGriddle with some egg and everything else. So started off the day right. She had grapes, strawberries. I bet. Went to the phototherapy appointment. Coming back, it was in the area of one of our old taco spots. So it was like, Ended up getting birria tacos. It was like, oh wait, we didn't get no drinks. Pulled up to Starbucks to get some refreshers. Why the guy in the drive-thru at the Starbucks was like, do you guys want a warm brownie? Before I could even think, Chev was like, yes. I'm like, bruh, the brownie was so good.
The brownie was so The brownie was warm. The chocolate was melting. Oh my god.
So now you gotta go work it off.
I gotta go work it off. I gotta put extra. I have to put a full 30-minute in on the treadmill doing inclines. Like I'm gonna do the full 30 incline. I'm gonna try to go up to 12. Not 12 the whole time because I'm gonna pace myself. At level 3 speed. I gotta burn it off, and then we're gonna do regular strength training. But the devil was strong today when it came to that chocolate brownie and them tacos.
Man just offered us a chocolate brownie unprovoked.
Like, well, I mean,
he said free.
Free. Hey, do you want a chocolate brownie?
Come on.
And then you know,
he said, come on, man.
The instinct, my brain hasn't like fully converted to, you know, the app. Instantly, yes, let me have it. I would like a chocolate brownie. Yes, sir. Thank you. Anyway, I need some, you know where my purple water bottle is?
Where you need your purple water bottle?
It's nowhere.
You check the dishwasher?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
When?
Just now.
Oh, well, shit.
Do you remember washing it? Would I bring it upstairs?
So, you did not check the dishwasher because it is right in the dishwasher.
The cover too?
The cover too. How do I know it was in the dishwasher?
You washed. You did the dishes.
Right. I did.
So that's why I'm asked. Did you wash?
Yeah, but you tell me to check the dishwasher. You check the
You
dishwasher.
put it in a box. Ugh, not where I usually put it.
It doesn't belong in the front. The place belongs in the front.
Pass it from the piece.
Shape this up.
Pass it. Should I put my Gatorade hydrating in it?
Good. Go ahead and change the lights.
So Gatorade has this new fit thingamajig, right? I've been seeing the ads everywhere, and I'm like, how is it different than regular Gatorade? I thought regular Gatorade had everything they said, like hydration and freaking electrolyte. I'm gonna rinse this out. I don't know what difference it is. I think it's less calories. I'm assuming sugar. It's 1 gram sugar. Okay, whatever. So go and drink this in the gym. Give me some energy. And that pre-workout about to kick in. I feel like when I take pre-workout, it feels like a super soldier serum. I'm just like tingling all over. Some of them, the pink bottle one has a strange aftertaste. It's not bad, but I guess it's just different. But I don't know why is it super different. It says naturally sourced sweeteners and flavors, so it's not sugar. I think it's a sweetener and not actual sugar that they put in it. There's natural watermelon juice and sea salt, electrolyte, antioxidant, vitamins A and C, B vitamins, B3, B5, B6. No sugar added, so we're gonna drink this today. Let's go to the gym.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up.
Okay, that concludes the workout for the night. I am dead tired. Look at sweat. Look at sweat. I am wet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. I can't control the sweating down there if I tried. Like, whew, we really worked today. Okay. I swear to y'all, every time I come on here, I look different. It's a different hairstyle. I just did this sleek middle part ponytail, and I use this hair from Shake and Go. I think it's called, what's it called? What kind of curl is it? I don't remember what kind of curl it's called, but it's like $10. I found it at my beauty supply store. And I did this like maybe a month or two ago. And then you guys were like, yo, Chev, the ponytail. But that was right before I was going to St. Lucia. So, okay, it wasn't that long ago. It was probably like a month ago. Something like that. And I was like, I'm going to do a protective style to go to St. Lucia. So I wouldn't have time to do it. So we got some time. We redid it. It doesn't look as great as it did the first time that I did it. So this is usually a learning lesson for me to like, when I'm going to do a new hairstyle, just turn my camera on. Well, it's not new, but when I get the idea and the feeling to do something the first time, turn my camera on because it's going to turn out bomb 99% of the time on the first try. It's still cute and everything, but because it's reused and it's synthetic hair, it doesn't look like as lively as it did the first time, but it's still cute. So I'm not mad at it. So I don't know when I'm gonna edit this video because I have a bunch of stuff to do. I have to package some wigs from the wig sale. So if you haven't checked out my website as yet, I'm going to try to put new items on there every 2 weeks, so it doesn't always have to be like a surprise drop. Honestly, sometimes that I get the feeling to work and I just drop wigs on there. It's not like I'm intentionally trying to like leave y'all out of the sale, you know what I'm saying? And also subscribe to the website because I do send email when a wig drop is dropping, so you'll be the first to get the email and stuff. So you know, really want to put these earrings out before I even drop this video because I know you guys are gonna ask you know, for the earrings. So it's the packaging. Honestly, the packaging has me but I feel like I'm still a very, very small business. You know what I'm saying? I can't even say it's a one-woman show because Simba does help a whole lot with a lot of things. So it's just the two of us doing this. And I get very anal when it comes to the simplest of things. So I think the packaging is what is holding me back. And it's like, it's just simple, cutesy earrings. I really shouldn't be being that, oh my God, is the packaging perfect? Because that's the least of it. As long as you get it in good condition, it's supposed to be fine. So I'm trying to like relax. I bought some cute black pouches from Amazon just to test out. It's mesh. You know what, it's gonna be a trial run with these earrings because it's the first time I'm doing like earrings like this. We usually do the nose cuff and I have my custom little pouches for them so you don't lose your nose cuff, even though some people do lose it because it's nose cuffs, right? It hangs onto your nose and you just hope that it doesn't fall out. But with nose rings and stuff, I give the pouches in the packaging so that it's like dust free and safe, and it's like somewhere to put, because these things are so small. But anyway, it's not going to be a customized package. It's going to be really simple, especially for the trial around the first soft launch. So I'm going to try to see if I can take some photos tomorrow and put it to work, like add it to the inventory on my website and like go from there. It was like 2:50 something in the morning and I bought some stuff from Zara. I was watching some Zara haul on YouTube and I'm like, okay, I'm going on Zara and I'm gonna buy some stuff, some spring stuff, and I'm gonna do a haul. So I'm gonna open the box just to make sure that everything is in there. This camera is about to die, so I'm gonna turn it off for at least 20 minutes. Also, I need something to eat, so I'm gonna try to find something to eat. And yeah, we're gonna catch up.
That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa, upgrade her diamond. let it drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage frames on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a peep, bro. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip, neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib, neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick, neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, yo, no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like,
Hey y'all, so tonight we're going out with my girl Ocean and we're going to this Asian restaurant. So I'm all dressed. This is my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see it fully. I'm gonna show y'all the full thing later because as usual, I'm running late. So I'm just trying to get everything that I need. I need a camera lens that I'm done. So this is our bag for today. Cutesy cutesy, and that is it. So let's go. Oh no, my bag is unlocked. Okay, y'all, as usual, I'm like all over the place. But anyway, god damn, this bag like doesn't stay locked. Let's go. I'm having a pink moment right now. Outside is hella gloomy, but I'm bringing the brightness. Okay, I'm bringing the sunshine. Like, forget all of that. I'm bringing it. Okay, make sure everything is plugged out. Where is my camera lens that I said I was gonna bring? Don't do this to me now, honey. Where is my camera lens? Oh god. Okay, got it. Make sure it's the right camera lens. Okay, ready. And also I did a little bun situation with some clip-ins. Come.
The thought of you keep running through my mind. I had to pull the plug this time. It was all good till the love cave in, girl. I'll never fall for your type again, girl. No. Hey, thinking it was my fault. I was trying to give you all you need. Didn't see the blindfold. All them nights, all that time, can't believe it was all just a game. You really took my heart for a drive. I remember when you were all in for us.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. Ooh, so bright. Had such a good time. Oh my god, look at my bun, y'all. I need to fix my bun, and I chose the day where it is hella moist in the air because it's raining outside. But my hair held up great. for the most part, I need to curl this back. I didn't finish the video because I was running late. I did a video on this bun. I'm gonna fix it and then finish my video. And I think I'm gonna call it a night. I think this is the end of it.
No, it's not.
Why, baby? Why it's not the end? Did you have New York fries, Simba?
No.
There's a New York fries bag on the dining room table. We're supposed to be on this clean eating mission.
You on that clean.
We are. Accountability for both.
Right, I went gym today.
Because you went to the gym today?
Yeah.
Anyways, y'all, this is the end. I'm gonna call it a night, and I think I'm gonna close out this vlog right here. So I'll see y'all beautiful people in the next video. One, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.